I'm going to show you how to remove the back cover and the main board out of this Vizio TV, model number E551i-A2. The first thing I want to do is bring the TV screen facing down on our workbench. Next, we're going to remove the 4 screws holding down the stand. And we're going to give it a little lift and then pull out. Next, I'm going to remove the screw next to the power plug and the 4 screws here on the main board. These 4 are plastic screws, so I'm going to set them apart. Next, we'll remove the screws at the bottom. These are larger plastic screws, so we'll also separate these. And finally, the perimeter screws. And these are machine screws, so they'll go in their own pile. Now we can go ahead and wiggle off the back cover. The clips can be a little stubborn. Now, as we lift this back cover, you want to be very careful. There is a wire here to our buttons, so we'll want to make sure we disconnect that before we lift higher. And there we go. Next, we'll focus on our main board, first by removing our ribbons and connectors. For the ribbons, we have 2 latches. We're going to lift those up, and then we can go ahead and remove the ribbons. The wired connector, we're just going to wiggle them out. There's no clips for those, just gentle wiggle. Now, if this last one gives you a little bit of trouble, you can go ahead and squeeze a tweezer underneath that little clip right there. And that should help. Oh, I just broke it off, but that's actually okay. That should help you loosen it up to remove it. And then finally, we have this wire right here. That one, we're just going to lift it up, just like that. Now we can go ahead and unscrew the board. And the board lifts off. If you plan on sending in this board for us to fix, we recommend you remove this daughter board before shipping it. To do that, we're going to flip it over and pinch this little plastic clip here. I'm going to pinch it with some needle nose pliers, and I'm going to push it through at the same time, just like that. Flip it back over. There's a little clip here. You're just going to wiggle it off gently, and there we go. If you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix these circuit boards, you can check out this video next. Otherwise, if you're interested in sending in your main board for us to fix, we do offer flat rate services, which come with a 1-year warranty. Those are available on our website, which will be linked in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.